Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the "ready or not has encountered a critical error and could not recover" message when trying to launch the game. This is usually caused by broken mods or compatibility issues. So let's go step by step and get your game working again. First, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Ready or Not, then select Properties. Now go to the General tab. In the Launch Options drop-down menu, select Play Safe Mode, No Mods. This will disable all mods and launch the game in its default state. Next, head over to the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the scan to finish. Steam will repair any missing or corrupted files automatically. Now try launching the game again. If the game starts without any errors, congratulations! That means one or more of your mods were causing the crash. You'll need to disable or remove your mods to prevent the issue from coming back. Still having issues? Let's try changing the DirectX version. Right-click on Ready or Not again, and go to Properties. Under the General tab, find the Launch Options section. This time select Play Ready or Not using DirectX 12. Try launching the game again, and see if it works. If it still crashes, go back to the same menu and select Play Ready or Not using DirectX 11. Now launch the game one more time and check if it works. Sometimes, different systems run better with one version of DirectX over the other. So testing both is important. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the critical error crash in Ready or Not. If this helped you, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more PC gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.